Hello there and welcome to this new video. Now I want you to take a look at this. This is a payment proof of someone who applied this method and got over $400 of payment. And here's another one who made over $140. People from different countries in the world are making money using this method. So why shouldn't you? Literally worldwide, people are getting a ton of money from this method. And I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it today. And the interesting thing is that you don't need anything. You only need a mobile phone and you can start earning money today. So here is on average how much you can earn using this opportunity. One page of Microsoft Word will make you $10. 20 pages will make you $200. And when you do 100 pages, you get 1,000 US dollars. Insane, right? And it's 100% free and open to everyone. Also, in this video, I will show you exactly how you can start making money today using this method following 3 easy steps. And by the end of this video, I will share with you some extra bonus tips to help you make even more money using this method. So don't skip ahead because you don't want to miss anything from this video. But before we start, consider subscribing to our channel, Wow Money. We post pure valuable content consistently every week to help you make money online and become 100% financially free from home. And turn on the notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Also, if you want to learn how you can make up to $500 every day, you might want to check our website, wowmoney.net, where you can find more details and information about how you can make money online and how you can create passive income streams on the internet. So the website we're going to use today is Hiresincom. So basically on this website you can find different jobs that you can do from your home. And using this website you can actually make a lot of money online. And keep watching this video to show you how you can make money using Microsoft Word. It's an easy and simple way to make up to $200 per hour of working from the comfort of your house. Now, as you can see, here it says online work from home opportunities. And it's 100% free to sign up and start generating online income. They pay every single day using different payment methods like PayPal. And you can see here the different types of jobs that you can get. Some of them are typing jobs that can make you from $4 to $6 per page. Proofreading jobs for $5 to $10 per page. And look at this, paid surveys that pay you from $5 to $50 US dollars per survey. Literally simple questions that you're gonna answer and you're gonna make up to $50 US dollars for just answering or giving your opinion on certain topics. Now for today's video, we're going to talk about how you can make money using Microsoft Word. But you can also see how easy the tasks are in this website. And you can make a ton of money using it. So the type of jobs we're going to talk about is proofreading jobs. Why? Well, it's the easiest. It doesn't need any special skills except being good at spelling. It is very available, so there are a lot of jobs in this category, and plus it pays well. So let's just click on it. And here we land on this page right here. It says become an online virtual proofreader. And by the way, I will show you in this video how you can use some tools to automate the process for you. You will literally do nothing. Just copy and paste the text and the tool will do the rest for you. Now, if we scroll a little bit down, you can see what type of requirements you should have to do this job. Well, you must at least be 16 years old. You need to have a computer to work on, and you need to have Microsoft Office installed in your computer, obviously because we're going to use it to proofreading, alright? You must also have a decent internet connection and a mobile phone to be able to get in touch more efficiently with your clients. And down here we have the skill requirements. So what kind of skills do you need to do this job? Well, all you need is literally elementary skills in proofreading. You don't need to be a professional, you just need to be able to spot basic mistakes. You need to be able to use internet tools like Google Drive, etc. You need a good communication skill, obviously, since you need to communicate with your clients. And you must be able to manage your time and deliver the tasks on time. You see that basically everyone can do it, right? Everyone can work on proofreading because most of us meet all the requirements and skills the website recommends. And again, they pay you a high amount of money, up to $10 per page, which exceeds the average American wage for proofreaders. And since it's an online job, the hours are flexible. You can work as much as you want, you can take pauses whenever you want. You basically are the one who manages the time. The most important thing is that you finish the job and deliver them on time. And on top of that, you have a huge network of people doing the same thing as you. You can connect with these people and learn from them as well. And right now, let's jump to the application process. And this is a little bit tricky, so you need to pay attention to what I'm going to show you in this video. Well, if we scroll down, you can see here the application procedure. All you need to do is click on the button right here, apply to be an online proofreader. You're gonna land on this page here, and if we go down, we can see here steps to get enrolled. Now you need to click on submit job application button, and that's gonna take you to this page right here. You have to go down again and click on apply now. And finally, you can now fill in the application form. So obviously, fill in the form truthfully, but pay attention to this. In the notice period, you want to select immediately so that your application gets reviewed within the next 24 hours and you can start receiving jobs starting tomorrow. Also, in the position you're interested in, go ahead and click on proofreading jobs. And then select whatever country you're in right now. As you can see, it's available worldwide. So no matter which country you're in, you will be able to apply. And for your current work statute, just click on freelancer because being a freelancer gives you way more chances of getting accepted. And here you have to do a small brief about yourself. So basically you need to say why are you good for this position? Why are you a good fit to do proofreading? Once everything is filled in, you can just click on this square here and then on this register button. And you are done. You have successfully submitted your application to Hiresincom. Now, after 24 hours, you should start receiving proofreading jobs. And here's a simple example. 2 pages of Microsoft that I just need to read and check spelling mistakes if there are any. And I'm going to be paid $20 for this project. Now let's check how much you can actually earn. Well, one Microsoft file of just 2 pages makes you $20. In 1 hour, you can easily do 10 of these tasks, right? Especially after I'm going to show you the secret tool to speed up the process. You will be making even more than 10 projects per hour, so earning at least $200 per hour, right? Now here is the tip for you. Once you receive the Microsoft file, just go to languagetool.org, which is a 100% free tool that verifies text grammar and spelling mistakes. So just select in which language the text is. In our case here, it's English USA. And then let's just copy and paste paragraph per paragraph and correct them one by one. And as you can see here, we have some words incorrectly spelled and some grammatical mistakes that the website detected on the text. So you literally don't do anything. You just click on the mistake and correct it, and then copy and paste the corrected version of the text to your Microsoft Word, and that is all. You're gonna earn $20 for literally 5 minutes of work. Here's another great tool called Reverso. Again, 100% free, and it's basically the same thing as languagetool.org. They check your grammar and your spelling mistake and simply automatically correct them, as you can see in this example here. These 2 tools are so cool because not only they correct spelling mistakes, but they also pay attention to your grammar. So they basically do the proofreading on your behalf, and you're still gonna make money from it, up to $200 per hour, you guys. That's $6,000 a month if you do only 1 hour of working per day. Isn't that absolutely crazy? $6,000 for just 1 hour of working every single day. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, Wow Money. We post valuable videos to help you make money online and build online income streams from home. And don't forget to check our website, wowmoney.net, to learn more about the online money making secrets and tips. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you on the next video.